We are finally doing it. You guys have been asking me to go inside the brand new Honky Tonk Saloon, which is the new country bar coming to Wildwood here at Garfield Avenue and the Boardwalk, which is the Boardwalk Mall. And today, we're taking you guys inside. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them that I can literally, in the middle of the day, drop everything and go film inside. If you want to go ahead and support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Plus, we're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. We can only do that with your help. Anyway, let's get started. Before we jump inside, first, a little bit of information. They just announced yesterday that their grand opening is going to be on Friday, May 10th. And yes, that is going to be a very, very busy weekend. And it's going to be busy for them because that big event on the beach is taking place right in front of them. And so we could have anywhere between 25,000 up to maybe even 40,000 people come on the beach. So they're pushing really hard to get ready for that date. All that being said, you guys know what the Boardwalk Mall looked like on the bottom level. It was all arcade games for the past, I wouldn't actually even say decade. Things have changed, yes, but the past decade, it's been games. Well, in order to do this, they had to rip out the entire inside and start from scratch. And when I say it looks amazing, it looks amazing. So let's head inside. Our tour is gonna start actually outside, where you can see there's a lot that's going on. You can see the brand new sign has been hung, a Honky Tonk. They haven't lit it yet, believe you me, I've been checking every day. And painting is taking place on the entire building. You can see right here, this is all going to be reclaimed wood, which is really cool. I believe it's coming in from Amish country. And we get Russ up here, who's actually doing the painting as we speak. While this is also going on, remember that Captain Jack's also got that brand new sign, which we featured a few weeks back. In order to get this building ready, they also added in all these windows that do open up. So these roll up, you can get some nice breeze in here, which there never used to be windows down here. This wood's actually coming in tomorrow, so by the time this video comes up, this wood's probably already going to be on the building. And here's part of the flag. And this is going to be one of the two entrances. Remember, this is part of the Boardwalk Mall. You can either enter here in the street at Garfield and Ocean Avenue, or you can enter on the boardwalk. Two ways to get in and out. My honest opinion is that, you know, after a long night on the boardwalk, you want a nice drink, you come in here, play some games. So you'll probably be using that entrance more than likely. But we're gonna enter for this video here in the back. Now remember, crews are pushing really, really hard to get this ready for May 10th, which is in about a week and a half. So construction is actively going on right now, but I gotta share it with you because it looks so cool in here. Here we go, walking in, and oh my, how amazing does this place look? As you can tell, crews had to rip down everything, all the way down to the bricks, and they put this new flooring down, which is super, super shiny. I need this for my garage. And let's go ahead and give you guys the official first look into the Honky Tonk Saloon. So a few things to go over. There are two bars in here, one behind me and one in the far corner over there. They have their own kitchen, which is different than the one upstairs at Captain Jack's. This is going to be everything from pulled pork and those kind of things that you expect from a country establishment. And that kitchen is right over here. Behind me is their main stage. And look at that artwork. Russ painted that as well. It's a beautiful stage. And in the other far corner, that way, that's an arcade. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around for you and give you a full tour. So we're gonna walk in. Right on the floor here is their logo, which I love this. This is so neat. We're gonna turn to the right, and this is the main stage. We'll have an awesome sound system going throughout the entire property. And yeah, this is all hand painted, by the way. Russ did this, he did a great job. And I'm going to give you just a quick little pan over so you can see where we're at. And one thing that, you know, I didn't realize how big this space was. There's so many games down here at that point that you didn't realize it, but it's big. Right now they don't have much stuff in the middle since they're doing construction. They don't want it in their way. But let's continue our tour. This is like a good Instagram kind of corner. You'll be able to dance here. Imagine a live band, and it's a big stage. So you get a full band up there. You can dance here. And I've been working on my line dancing, so hopefully I'll be better. You've got some, not beer pong, but you've got pong. This is going to be another one of the bars. You see, I got two big bars down here. Okay, pan over to the right-hand side. It's a little loud, but they're getting the arcade together. And they got a lot of great games. First of all, look at this. I love the Flyers air hockey table. I need one of those for my house. I don't think my wife will allow me. And here's more games. A lot of shooting games. It's a little loud, so I apologize. We've got an axe throwing game here on the left-hand side, which I'm finding out I'm actually decent at. Got a racing game. And we've got basketball. You can either play as the 76ers or the Lakers. And I mean, 76ers all the way. We've got more racing. And of course, you have to have skee ball, but it's themed a little bit different. It's kind of Pac-Man related, which is really neat. These games are still being built. Got more hockey, and everything is going to be done by a card, sort of like what Mariners is doing. So you come over here, you put your money in or you tap your card, you either get a new card, you refill your card, and you scan it. There's a scanner right here. You can even do it on your phone, and if you need a physical card, that comes out, your receipt, and then you use that at all the machines. So for example, say you want to do this one, you either tap it or swipe it, and then you're good to go. I like that system a lot better. Okay. And now we're moving down the right-hand side. You got some custom tables here. Look how cool this is. That is really neat. We've got the main kitchen over here, which not really much to show. It's just another kitchen. And then I'll take you over to the main bar up front. And look how big this bar is, am I right? It is massive. On this side, you've got some tables and chairs. And this is what I love. The windows. I'm so happy they added in windows. It was kind of like a dungeon down here for all those years. And now you officially have some natural light coming in. Here's another angle for you to look at. And a lot more artwork on the wall as well. And while we're here, of course, we're inside the Boardwalk Mall. And a lot of people have been asking me, what's going on? Well, let me share that with you too, because there's a lot of work that is taking place, not just here, but also when you come into the Boardwalk Mall. So we're gonna head up these steps real quick and share with you that, so that is the main entrance. As we make our way up the steps, look, they actually have a sign here on the floor. What I wanted to share with you is, right here, they're putting in a coffee bar, coffee place with pastries and a lot of craft-made coffees. And I'm so ecstatic for that. We always need more coffee places in the Boardwalk. We have some already and they're great, but I'm a big coffee guy and I love trying local places, and so that's gonna be some really, really good coffee. It's gonna get loud in here real quickly, so let me give you one more tour before I head out. So this is the look you have when you come down from the Boardwalk. Imagine this place is just like a man cave and a half. And even down to the lights on the ceiling. I don't know if you saw that. And not only that end, they got the cowboy hats up here. It just looks so fantastic. And they got a week and a half, man. Got a lot of work to go, but it's gonna be great once it's done. I honestly can't get over how awesome this place is. I mean, just look at it. Am I right? Now, all that being said, they're going to be officially opening again on May 10th, okay? So it gives them a week and a half. Once they are open, obviously we're still kind of like pre-summer, so times will change. What's going to be in the beginning will obviously change during the summertime, depending on how busy things get in the boardwalk. As you may know, the boardwalk dies down a certain time and the bars fill up. So, you know, I don't know exactly what time they'll be open until every single night. I think, you know, as any business on the boardwalk, you just got to judge what it's like. What are people like on the boardwalk? Is it busy? Is it not busy? The cool thing is that this place you can access here on the street and or on the boardwalk. I kind of like that, especially from someone who bikes around a lot. I can, you know, chain my bike up around the corner and hang out here. And remember, this corner alone has a lot that is going on. Remember, the Point Tiki Bar is over there too, and we'll have a tour for that coming maybe in a few weeks. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joe, as always. I'll see you on the beach, which is right over here. And by the way, yes, those asked about my other video, you're wearing shorts. Yes, I got the shorts on. It is a high of 75 today. It is a beach day. Oh, that's cool.